Pwede. Pass. Batang Austria, dribble the ball. Oh, no good. Santos rebound. Austria, pass to Escamillas. Pass to Dalisay. Dalisay for 3. Kanina ko pa hinahanap. Garcia for 3. Shoutout po kay PJ Kalingasan. Santos for 3. 3. Garcia makes move for 3. Hey, 3. 5 seconds. Hey. Garcia, no good. Pass. Hey! Pass Austria. Hey! Eseo. Sweet too. Oy. Shout out Batang Toba. Paso Apor. Pass to the Villanueva. 3 points. 19-11. Oy, counted. Villanueva. Oy, Apor.
Nasaan yung amplifier?
3 points. Shout out sa 120,000 na viewers. Gonsalves Kobe, pass to Morales. Pass to Escamillas. Layup. Dig dunk. Oy.
Seconds on the shot clock. De La Salas, foul move. De La Salas, block. Gonzalez, spin. Pass to Beren. Pass ball. Pass to Buzel. Vasco. Top shot. 2 points. Gonzalez with the ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Gonzalez and Dalisay. For 3. 13-point lead by Batang Chaong. Garcia for 3. Vasco with the ball. Vasco with the through. Vasco crossover move by Vasco. Layup. Goes. Gonzalez pass. There's a number 1. Vasco to Buzel.
Buser!
Ganda.
Shout out daw kay Piseros, Makalbo, Barbershop. Batang Chaong. Pass to Morales. Pass to Dalisay. Pass to Dandig. Hard foul. Santos. Oh! Morales for 3. Belen.
10 seconds on the shot clock. To Morales, our move. Morales, 2 points by Morales. Number 6 Morales out the pass to Dalisay. Bars for 3.
Escamillas.
1-1 play.
Landig.
Pass to the Salas. One pass. 2 points. On the shot clock. Dalisay. Pass to Morales. Pushing up. Morales. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Morales. 2 points. 5-1. De La Salas. 10 seconds on the shot clock. De La Salas. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Morales takes 2. Morales spin. Morales jump shot by Morales. 2 points. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Santos with the ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 4-4. Floater. to the corner. 5. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6, Morales. 2 points. 5 points. 0. 5 seconds remaining. And there's a steal by Apor. Apor. 2 points by Apor.
Hanap ka na magsasamay.
No?
Second on the shot clock. Nadi. Side step. Nadi. And there's a foul. Seconds on the shot clock. Morales. Fake through. Morales. Jump shot. Blocked by Giselle. Turn on Morales. Morales put back. 2 points by jersey number 6. Garcia playing. Garcia. Fake through. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Garcia layup. 2 points by
Score daw po,
Score
score.
78-60, 18-point lead by Batang Town. Block. Morales, out of pass to Dalizay for 3. 3-point lead, 21-point lead by Batang Town. Garcia for 3. Garcia, post to post, pass to Landin, back to Garcia.
Ang lamang.
Landin, 14 seconds.
Garcia.
Garcia, there's a ball. On the shot clock, to Morales. Pass to Dalizay for 3. Dalizay with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Dalizay pass to Morales. Morales fires. Remaining score is 89-70. Landigo layup. No good. Put back by Guzman. 2 point final quarter. Garcia. Post to post by Garcia. Garcia layup. 2 points. 1 minute and 38 seconds. Garcia. Step back by Garcia for 3. 3 points. And that is the end of our game.